What's going on, everybody, and welcome to another episode of Friday Fabric Finds, and this is Black Friday 2025. We're so very excited. My name is Justin. I'm a photographer and product editor.
And I'm Clint. I'm Kit and Bundle Manager.
And let's go ahead and get started.
All right, so starting off, we want to talk about our Black Friday deals. We've been doing deals all week, and this is day 4 of our Black Friday deals. We're serving up a brand new round of exceptional deals here. And of course, the best way to get these deals is to sign up for the newsletter. And if you're running on Kaffe and deals today, you're in the right place. New offers will keep pouring in all weekend long and straight through Cyber Monday.
All right, to start off, the first deal we have is this Grunge Yuletide Mix Fat Quarter Bundle from Moda. This has a bunch of yellows, greens, and dark reds, as well as some light reds. Very beautiful bundle. The original price is $36.96, but we've got it on sale for $19.96. That is 46% off, so make sure to snag the Grunge Yuletide Mix Bundle before it slays away.
Now, as always, every week we like to mention our 1-yard cuts, but this week we have special reason to mention them. Today only, these 1-yard cuts are on sale for $7.96 each. They are pre-cut, full of personality, and just ready to go. Multiples won't be continuous, so with these, if you order 2 1-yard cuts, they will be 2 separate 1-yard pieces. So buzz on over to our website and pick these up.
Next up, we have these very beautiful bundles from Free Spirit. These are the Fassett mystery bundles. As always with Fassett, they are very vivid and colorful bundles, and the original price of these are $79.80, and we have them on sale for $24.96. That is 69% off, so make sure to unwrap the mystery with these Fassett mystery bundles for a surprising price.
Next up, we want to mention one of my favorite quilt kits. I actually bought one of these a while ago. We're talking about the How the Grinch Stole Christmas Quilt Kit, which we have for 40% off. Those are regularly $149.96, and our sale price is $89.98. Don't be a Grinch and grab the Pick 15 Quilt Kit for cheap.
Next, we have 2 10-inch squares from Wilmington. The first one is Merry Gnome-ments, and the other one is Woodland Snowmen. These are 45% off. We have them originally at $52.96, but we got them on sale for $28.96. So make sure to square up some cheap holiday cheer with these Wilmington 10-inch squares.
All right, coming at you next is a sale we have on our 2019 Christmas Mystery Kit. This is a PDF pattern, regularly priced at $10.96. We have it on sale for just $5. The pattern will be delivered, as I said, with a PDF download. Definitely get in the holiday spirit with the For Good Measure PDF pattern.
All right, next up, we got the 24-inch classic Christmas panel. This panel features a Christmas tree in the middle. This is originally $10.96, but we've got them on sale for $5.26. That is over 50% off, so make sure to snag this tremendous deal on the classic Christmas panels.
All right, and the last deal we want to mention today is our Cotton Shades Rainforest bundle. A lot of greens in this bundle. It is regularly priced at $33.96, and we have it on sale for $19.96. That is 40% off. Go green this season with the Cotton Shades Rainforest bundle.
And last but certainly not least, we've got our comment of the week. In fact, this week we have the comments of the week. This is where we pull a comment from last week's episode to read on this week. And last week we asked you guys a question. We asked, what are you having for Thanksgiving? What are you excited to have for Thanksgiving? First, we have Del Marie Snodgrass, who says, good morning, boys. To be honest, my favorite is the dessert because I don't eat too many during the year. Have a happy Thanksgiving, FWFS crew, and enjoy your family and friends. Well, Del Marie, I just wanted to say, I think that's a great answer. I love the dessert as well. I love apple pie. I feel like apple pie is kind of underrated for most people. I love it personally. I also love pecan pie. We have, pecan pie, yeah. I also just love like a chocolate pie, and cheesecake always hits too. But Del Marie, like you said, I hope you have a happy Thanksgiving as well, and I hope you enjoy hanging out with your friends and family and whatnot. And thank you for leaving a comment.
The next comment we want to highlight is from Quilt Meets World, and they say, we all know green bean casserole is the best Thanksgiving dish out there. Though, when I make my pineapple bacon pound cake, you read that right, Everyone loves that for dessert. Well, couple things. The pineapple baking pound cake definitely sounds interesting. I would love to try that. I'll eat anything with pineapple in it. And secondly, you are absolutely right. In all seriousness, green bean casserole is the best Thanksgiving dish. It's the best Christmas dish. It's the best holiday dish. It is one of my all-time favorite foods. So thanks for leaving a comment, and I hope you get to enjoy green bean casserole as much as I know I will.
All right, and last but not least, we have Miriam Patton, who says, turkey and dressing with giblet gravy and not the cornbread version of dressing, pure bread version. I look forward to this every year. Well, Miriam, I just wanted to say, I definitely agree with you there about dressing and gravy. I love dressing and gravy. In fact, you know, I would say it's personally my favorite dish. Having some dressing, as long as it comes with gravy. I always think it needs to go gravy. If you just do dressing, I think it's too dry and needs a sauce on the side. And with that being said, Miriam, once again, thank you so much for leaving a comment, and I hope you get to enjoy your turkey and dressing. It sounds incredible. I'm drooling right now just thinking about it, and I hope you have a great rest of your Thanksgiving holiday.
So that's going to do it for us on this Black Friday 2025. As always, we want to thank you for watching. If you enjoyed, leave a like, subscribe, ring that bell for notifications. Definitely leave a comment. You might be featured in Comment of the Week next week. You can follow us on social media. All of our links are down in the description, and we will see you next week.